In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ChatGPT bot in Pycharm in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the steps to integrate this powerful tool into your development environment, so let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to open Pycharm. Ensure it's up and running smoothly on your computer. If you haven't launched Pycharm yet, head over to your applications and click on it. Once Pycharm is open, your next step is straightforward. Go to the top menu and click on File. It's located at the top left of your screen. When you click on File, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Look out for Settings because that's where we're heading next. Once in Settings, another window pops up showing a variety of options. From this window, navigate down to the Plugins section. This is where we'll manage all the additional features you can add to Pycharm, including the ChatGPT bot. Now that you're in the Plugins section, you will see several tabs. Click on the Marketplace tab. This is your gateway to explore a plethora of plugins available for Pycharm. The marketplace is pretty vast, so let's narrow our focus to what we need. In the search bar at the top right, type in ChatGPT. Hitting enter will bring up the available ChatGPT plugins. Take a moment to browse through and decide which one suits your needs best. Once you've picked your preferred ChatGPT plugin, click on Install. The installation should only take a few moments. As soon as the installation is complete, Pycharm will prompt you to restart the IDE. Go ahead and restart Pycharm to finalize the changes. This step ensures that the new plugin is properly integrated and ready to use. After restarting, let's move on to configuring the plugin. Open Tools from the menu, then select ChatGPT. Within this section, you'll find Settings. This is where we'll need to do a bit of setup. In the Settings area, you'll be prompted to enter your OpenAI API key. This key is essential for connecting with the ChatGPT service and utilizing its full capabilities. Make sure to have your API key handy and input it carefully. Once you have entered your API key, remember to save the settings. This final step ensures that all the configurations are applied and your setup is complete. With that done, close out of the settings window. Now, when you return to the main Pycharm interface, you'll notice a new panel for ChatGPT. This indicates that you've successfully integrated the ChatGPT bot into your Pycharm environment. From here, you can start using it to enhance your development experience with powerful AI capabilities at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully added a ChatGPT bot to Pycharm in just a few simple steps. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding.